Hello friends, welcome to today's cleaning video. Today's just an ultimate clean with me. Nothing too exciting, but I hope it does give you lots of cleaning motivation. Before I let the music just play for a little bit, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and all the fun, nice things. But yeah, I'm just gonna let the music play for a little bit and I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Is anyone else ready for the school year to be over? My kids have been doing homeschool all year, and I am just so done. I'm so ready for school to be over. I cannot wait.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
So I tried to do some different angles in this video than what I normally do, just to kind of switch it up for you guys. Let me know what you think about, the camera being up this high. I just thought I would switch it up because I usually do the same angle with the camera every time. Hopefully you like it.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
I could not get those cups open for the life of me. I literally had to stop the camera and have my son come and help me open it because I couldn't do it. It was so hard. I don't know what is with those cups, but they like suction, like the lids suction under the cups. It's so annoying.
Sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
I need to find me a new sign for right there. It's almost summertime. I tried to look at the dollar store and at Walmart, but I couldn't find anything that said like "Hello Summer" or something that wasn't like completely covered in glitter. I just really don't want glitter all over my house. So hopefully I can find something soon.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I am so grateful for you guys for watching and staying until the end. And yeah, again, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!